Learning Objectives for Human Sexuality, Module 2, by Dr. Knox. Titled, Theoretical Perspectives on Sexuality and Sex Research. Theoretical perspectives on sexuality explore how societal factors and individual experiences shape sexual attitudes, behaviors, and identities. Key perspectives include functionalism, conflict theory, symbolic interactionism, feminist theory, and queer theory, each offering unique insights into the complexities of human sexuality. Psychological research on sex explores various facets of human sexuality, including sexual behavior, development, orientation, and identity, as well as the impact of sexual health and relationships on overall well-being. It draws from diverse disciplines like biology, sociology, and medicine, and examines topics ranging from sexual dysfunction to the influence of social and cultural factors on sexual experiences. Now, these are the key areas of research regarding human sexuality. First, sexual behavior. This includes studying diverse sexual practices, motivations, and responses, encompassing both physical and psychological aspects of sexual activity. Next, sexual development. This involves understanding the biological and psychological changes related to sexual maturation across the lifespan, from childhood and adolescence to adulthood and aging. Next, sexual orientation and gender identity. Research explores the development and expression of sexual orientation. For example, heterosexual, homosexual, bisexual, and gender identity, recognizing the diversity within these concepts. Next, sexual health and dysfunction. This area focuses on the diagnosis and treatment of sexual dysfunctions. For example, erectile dysfunction, anorgasmia, and the promotion of sexual health and well-being. We will also review sexual coercion and aggression. This research examines the psychological factors contributing to sexual aggression and coercion, as well as the experiences of victims. Next, social and cultural influences. Psychologists also investigate how social norms, cultural beliefs, and media representations shape sexual attitudes, behaviors, and experiences. Then there is the evolutionary psychology of sex. This area explores the evolutionary origins and functions of sexual behavior and motivation. There are some important research figures that contributed a great deal to human sexuality research. First, there is Alfred Kinsey, who pioneered large-scale survey research on human sexual behavior, documenting the diversity of sexual practices and challenging prevailing norms. Then there is William Masters and Virginia Johnson, who conducted groundbreaking research on the physiological responses during sexual activity, contributing to the understanding of the sexual response cycle. And of course, Sigmund Freud, who developed theories about the role of sexuality in personality development and psychosexual stages. Upon completion of this lecture, the student should be able to identify theoretical perspectives on sexuality, recognize sexual diversity and critical theories in human sexuality, and explain cross-cultural perspectives on sexuality.
Please be advised, this is an educational, academically sound psychology course by Dr. Knox for adult student learners. Lecture content include discussions and representations of human sexuality, theoretical perspectives on sexuality, sex research, sexual anatomy, sex hormones, sexual arousal, attraction and love theories, gender and sexuality, sexual orientation, variations in sexual behavior, sexual coercion, sex for sale, sexual disorders, and sex therapy, ethics and religion on sexuality, and sex laws. Before beginning the course, please be mindful of your capacity to witness and respond to videos, books, and images of this content material.